morning everyone. It's your maths class, unit number 3, decimal. Okay, in decimal, first I explain definition of decimal and types of decimal. In the types of decimal we have terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal and recurring decimal. According to the definition of terminating decimal are decimal that have a finite number of digits after the decimal point. Okay, after the decimal we have fixed number, limited number, okay, countable number, finite number. It's called terminating decimal. We have example 1/5. Question is given in fraction form. Now first we divide it, upper part numerator and lower part called denominator. First we divide it, divisor and dividend. Okay, divisor and dividend. Dividend is smaller than divisor, so we put 0, decimal, add 1 0. Clear? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10, no remainder is left. Okay, now after divide, answer 0.2. 0.2 answer. Okay, it's finite answer. Finite means after decimal, fixed number, limited number, countable number. It's a kind of terminating decimal. Second example, 1/625. Okay, divisor and dividend. Divisor is bigger than dividend, so first we equal it, 0, put decimal, add 1 0. Clear? Now in the divisor we have 3 digit, dividend we have 2 digit, add 1 more 0. We write over here 0 0. Now 625 and 100. Divisor is bigger than dividend, so we add 1 more 0, put over here 0. Okay, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 4 digit. Now in divisor we have 3 digit, so we multiply. 625 1s are 625, 625 2s are 1250. 1250 is a bigger number, so we take 1s are 625. Okay, now we minus it, cut 1, take 1 borrow, 0 is left. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5 is left. 9 minus 2, 7 is left. 9 minus 6, 3 is left. Okay, 375. Add 1 more 0. Now 625. Just check 5s are 625. 5s are 5 5s are 25. 5 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12 2 1 5 6 are 30 or 1 31. 3125. Now we check 6 are 625 multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15 5, 1 carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37. 7. Same answer, 3750. It goes 6 times. 625, 6 are 375. Okay, after minus no remainder is left. Clear? Answer 0.0016. 0.0016 after decimal, finite number, limited number. Okay, it's a kind of terminating decimal. Next type of decimal, non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal means after decimal. In the answer of after decimal, the numbers or digits are continue. Okay, the division never ends. It's a kind of non-terminating decimal. First part, 3/17 given as a question. Numerator, denominator. Okay, the divisor and dividend. Dividend is smaller than divisor, so we put 0. Decimal, add 1 0. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34. It's a bigger number, so 17 ones are 17. Now minus it. 30 minus 17. Cut 3. 2 is left. 10 minus 7. 3 is left. 2 minus 1. 1 is left. It means 30 minus 17. 13 is left. Add 1 0. Now 17 ones are 17. 17. Now we multiply it. 17. 6 are 6 6 are 36. 6 7 are 42. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 102. Now we check 17. 7 are 7 7 are 49. 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 119. I think if we multiply 8s are, so 8s are, it's bigger number, 130. So we will take 7s are. 119. 17 7s are 119. Now we minus it. Cut 3. 2 is left. Take 1 borrow. 10 minus 9. 1 is left. 2 minus 1. 1 is left. 1 minus 1. 0 is left. After minus 11 is left. Clear? Again we put 0. 110. Now 6 are 102, so we will take 102 6 are. Now minus it. 0 is left. 10 minus 2, 8 is left. Clear? 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1. So 110 minus 102, 8 is left after minus. Now if we further solve it, put 1 more 0. Now 6 are. Now we check 17. 5s are. Okay, 5 7s are 35. 5 3 carry. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8. 85. 85 also a bigger number, so just we check 17. 4s are. Okay, 5 7s are 35. 3 5. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8. 85. Now all we have 80. 80 is a smaller number than 85, so just we check 4s are. 7 4s are 28. 4 7s are 28 or 7 4s are 28. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6. 68. 68. 4s are. Okay, now minus it. 7 is left. 7 minus 6, 1. 10 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 2. It means 12 is left. If we further solve it, again we put 0 or we multiply or divide it. Now check the answer. 0.1764, so on. If we further solve it, so we get more digit. It means division never end. After decimal, the answer is continue. So it's a kind of non-terminating decimal. Next part, 5/23. Now 5 is smaller number. Put 0. Decimal, add 1 0. 23 ones are 23. 23 twos are 46. Okay, so we take 2s are 23. 2s are 46. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 46 minus it. 10 minus 6, 4 is left. 4 minus 4, 0 is left. It means 50 minus 46, 4 is left. Put 0. 23 ones are 23. Now minus it. 3 is left. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 9. 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 minus 3, 7 is left. 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 minus 2, 1 is left. It means it's 17. Put 1, 0. Again 23 ones are 23, 2s are 46. Now we multiply it. 23, just check, 6 are, okay, 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, for 1 13, 134. It's a smaller number than 117. Now we check. 23 7s are 7 3s are 21, 1 2 carry, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 161. Okay, now we take 7s are 161. Now we minus it. Cut 7, 6 is left. Take 1 borrow. 10 minus 1, 9 is left. 6 minus 6, 1 minus 1, 0 is left. Put 1. Put 0. Now check. 23 7s are 6s are. Now check. 5s are 4s are. Okay, 23 4s are 23 4s are 4 3s are 12, 2 1, 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 92. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 2 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 9, 92. 92 is a bigger number, so we check. 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69. Cut 9, 8 is left. 10 minus 9, 1 is left. 8 minus 6, 2 is left. 21. Okay, 3s are. Now check the answer. 0.2173. If we further solve it, again after decimal, we get more digit. Okay, answer never end, never stop. So it's a kind of non-terminating decimal. It means division never end. After decimal, numbers are not finite, it's infinite, it's continue. It's a kind of non-terminating decimal. Recurring decimal is a kind of non-terminating decimal. After decimal, the answer is never end, never stop. It's a continue. It's called non-recurring decimal. But in recurring decimal, after a decimal, same number or same set of digit repeats again and again. Like after decimal, same digit 2525 repeat again and again, or another way, same digit like 5555 repeat again and again. It's a kind of recurring decimal. Now we have example 2/3, numerator and denominator. First we divide it, divisor and dividend. Dividend is smaller, so we put 0 decimal. 3 ones, add 1 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Okay, 18, 20 minus 18, 2 is left. Add 1 0. Again 6 are 18, minus it, 2 is left. Okay, put 1 0. Again 6 are 18. Okay, 20 minus 18, 2 is left. If we further solve it, again and again we minus it. After minus, 2 is left. We put 0, it's become 20, then again 3 6 are 18. Clear? So 2 is left. After decimal, again and again same digit will come. 0.6666, it's a kind of recurring decimal. Okay, it means after decimal same digit or same set of digit repeat again and again, it's a kind of recurring decimal. Okay, if we further solve it, again we minus it, 2 is left, we put 0, again and again 6 is left. Sorry, again and again 2, after minus 2 is left, so we put 0, it's become 20, again 3 6 are 18, so 20 minus 18, 2 is left. Okay, next example related to recurring decimal, 2 upon 11, divisor and division, same method, put 0, decimal. Okay, we use decimal, put 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 22 is a bigger number, so we take ones are 11, ones are 11. Okay, minus it, 10 minus 1, 9 is left, 1 minus 1, 0 is left. Okay, 9, after minus 20 minus 11, 9 is left, put 0, 11 8s are 88, 9s are 99, 99 is a bigger number, so 11 8s are 88. Now 90 minus 88, 2 is left. Okay, like this, cut 9, 8 is left, take 1 borrow, 10 minus 8, 2 is left, 8 minus 8, 0 is left. After minus 90 minus 88, 2 is left. Same method, put 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, it's a bigger number, so we take ones are 11, ones are 11, 20 minus 11, okay, 8 is left, 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9 is left. Okay, cut 1, cut 2, 1 is left, take 1 borrow, so it's become 10, 10 minus 1, 9 is left, 1 minus 1, 0, put 1 0, same method, this one, this method we repeat again and again, 8s are 88, 9s are 99, bigger number, after minus I think 2 is left, 8, 10 minus 8, 2 is left, 8 minus 8, 0 is left, put 0, again 1s are 11, minus it, 10 minus 1, 9 is left, 1 minus 1, 0, add 0, 8s are 88. Okay, if we further solve it again and again, same method we reply, or if we check the answer, 0.181818, same digit, same pair, repeat again and again. Okay, a set of digit repeat itself again and again, it's a kind of recurring decimal. Both examples are related to recurring decimal. In your fair register class 7, with the definition, just copy any one example. In your book 2 examples are given, but copy any one examples. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.